Hello everybody, I'm Josh Korick. This is your Blue Edge Energy weekly market snapshot, and I just want to go ahead and jump right on into this for the week. As of the winter 2021 moves into our memory, except sadly for many of us who dealt with some rough invoices from February. I guess the Norwegian in me says oofta to that. It's not quite over with. But we are now starting as a company to gear up for our new spring RFPs. Given the fallout from polar vortex Uri, we're going to look very closely at the 2-year deals in place that were executed last year to ensure winter gas purchase levels for this next winter are appropriate. In an increasing volatile gas price market environment, we've got to do everything we can to curb that. Now, volatility this year was clearly driven by the breadth and duration of Uri, and also by the fact that more and more utility power generators are running off natural gas. So volatility has increased and will likely increase in next winter here in Wisconsin, especially also that the We Energies tariffs that are taking place and coming into effect here as of April 1st. So many of you are going to hear from our team a whole lot more over the next couple of weeks in discussions about next winter and your volumes. So let's talk a little bit about pricing as it stands today. The current prompt month, April that we're in, natural gas price is trading at $2.57 a decatherm. That's a change up 8.9 cents since last week. Meanwhile, the March gas price, which we're obviously in right now, rolled off the books at $2.85.4 a decatherm. The 2020 calendar strip price for what remains of it here, if you had equal volumes going across the board, is at $2.72.4 a decatherm, up 7.3 cents since last week. Next winter's gas strip price is sitting below $3 at $2.92.2. That's also up 8.2 cents from where we were last week. The 2022 calendar strip price, $2.62.6. Again, that's if you had equal volumes from summer to winter. And lastly, the next winter after that, 2022, 2023 is sitting at $2.72.9 a decatherm, up 4.7 cents from where we were last week. So let's talk a little bit about the storage report that's still upon us here as we come out of winter. We did pull out of the ground 36 BCF in the last week, which is above what was expected to be pulled out of the ground. Now this puts our current overall inventories at 1,746 BCF. Make more sense of it. We're down 263 BCF to where we were last year and down 78 BCF above the 5-year average. When we look at the regional cash out price for physical gas, this was that daily pricing when we talk about that. Right now we're sitting at a paltry $2.37 a decatherm. And for our friends in the western part of the state, they're pretty much the same, sitting at $2.29.5 a decatherm, down 4.5 cents since last week. So that has come crashing down, as many of you know, since last month. Let's talk about the weather. Seeing as we're sitting outside, the Wisconsin short-term weather forecast is calling for early spring weather with temperatures varying between highs in the 40s to highs in the 60s and over in the next coming week. And then when we look at the 8 to 14 day weather forecast on the national side of things, it's going to be warmer and drier through most of the country for the first week in April. Look forward to that nicer weather. Here's some commentary quick. The April gas contract traded up today. Because of that negative 36 BCF storage change did exceed expectations. So we're now trading at $2.57. The April contract will reach its expiration next week, Monday. The May contract is likely to open up against warmer temperatures. Gas production that's booming up again above 92 BCF a day. And just to put that in perspective, during the polar vortex Uri, we were bottoming out under 80 BCF a day. So a huge transition in production coming out of the ground. So on behalf of all of us here at Blue Edge Energy, Blake, TJ, Karen, and myself, hope you have a wonderful weekend. If you got any questions, reach out to Blake, myself. Happy to answer them and help you as best we can. Take care.